Hi, my name is Andrew Lee, and I am the co-founder and chief scientific officer for IMCS, or Integrated Micro-Chromatography Systems. Filming here at the R&D facility of IMCS. So I actually oversee the research and development program for new products and existing products. That also includes the applications and application developments. So you take a product and how does it get incorporated into customer workflows, oversee all the production and the operation side. So IMCS currently has about 3 different product lines. The first product line called the Enzyme. It's used primarily in urine drug testing, and it is a fancy word for it, of course, the technical term beta-glucuronidase. And we have different variants of it used heavily for, like I said, urine drug testing or toxicology. The second product line is called IMCS. It is a loosely containing extraction tool or a consumable. And it's heavily used for target purification or a variety of biologic purifications in a high throughput manner. So if you're doing hundreds and hundreds of these purifications, you want it automated and scaled up, and our technology, our product, is part of that scale up. The third product line is, I'd call it a sweet product. The reason I call it the sweet product is the study of a lot of different sugars. So we're making a bunch of enzymes that enable the scientists and others to make complex sugars. So sugars are pretty important. I think in the news we hear a lot about the infant formula, and they're comprised of various sugars. Very important aspect of building immune systems or your immunity for bacterial infections or virus infections. Sugars all play a role in this. So the history on IMCS, how we got started, is actually on the first product. There's a long story to this, but the company name IMCS actually stands for Integrated Micro-Chromatography Systems. It's actually defined as the study of separations, and the focus was really on IMCS tips. Within about 6 months, we found and discovered a variant of Enzyme that worked really well. So we spent probably about 5 years ensuring that product was all available to everybody in the world. Hence, the first product line, Enzyme, really got started and really supports a lot of our efforts now. Reinvesting the profits from Enzyme is supporting a lot of the works that we're doing for IMCS tips, as well as the new or the third product line of the sweet sciences. Grew up in California with the whole biotech industry really booming in Southern California and San Diego. Left and right, biotech companies popping up and doing very revolutionary new discoveries in biosciences. As a failed medical student, I decided to stay with the biotech track. I actually ran into my advisor when he was much younger in San Diego. He became a faculty member at University of South Carolina, and I shot him an email. I said, look, the contingent of coming to South Carolina is that you and I start a company. And he said, sure, we'll start a company with the inventions that you develop. And I said, okay. So I came from San Diego all the way over here. And after completing my Ph.D., barely, we decided to start that first company called A&Q Nano Designs. And that one was awarded a CDC SBIR award to design a vaccine stabilization for measles. And then during that time, I met with another co-founder for IMCS. We were talking about new technologies to incorporate on IMCS tips. From there, we also talked about, hey, there's an enzyme that's really dirty in the industry, and can you make a cleaner, better, faster enzyme? Like I said, within 6 months, we found one, and we were able to commercialize, and that's all history. My name is Andrew Lee, and these are my notes on innovation.